KMI stock analysis and KMI stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Kinder Morgan sitting at what, $27.29 with 1.8% increase in price. This is the weekly chart. So yeah, we're experiencing a little correction. So were most of the stocks, and finally kind of started to pick back up the last 2 weeks. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, by the way. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. I have like 39,000 video proof, which obviously you don't have to make 40,000 videos like I did to figure this stuff out. This is why I'm making these videos. But generally speaking, just going to mark up my top. And now, only if I see a double break and any sort of like a shift, like some sort of like good shift, then and only then I'm going to be willing to buy. If it doesn't give me anything, then obviously I'm not going to be buying. And I know like a lot of people like to overcomplicate this sort of stuff, but bro, the more I've been in the game, and I mean, ongoing 5 years and counting, the more I figured out the simpler it is, the better. But yeah, whatever works for you. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.